Now viewers, let's put a focus back on the top story. Prime Minister Narendra Modi is expected to chair a Union Cabinet meeting at 7 Lok Kalyan Marg, that is residence, and the meeting is expected to begin shortly. Reports have suggested that the meeting comes at a crucial time as the government continues to assess the internal security and policy matters in the wake of the recent developments. The important policy and security issues are likely to be discussed. All right, Sanjay, what are you picking up as the meeting of the Union Cabinet is going to begin shortly? All right, as we are taking a while to adjust to his audio right now, the big story is that the Prime Minister Narendra Modi is chairing the crucial Union Cabinet meeting at his residence in just a while. Asavri Jindal is joining me with more updates. Asavri, as the Union Cabinet meeting is going to be chaired shortly, or what we can say more precisely in just a while, what are you picking up as, in fact, the big question remains as to be what comes out of the meeting?
Absolutely, Simran. Of course, my colleague Sanjay is just going to be joining us shortly. But for now, what we are getting to understand is, of course, the fact that there is a Union Cabinet meeting that is going to be chaired at 7 Lok Kalyan Marg. That's the Prime Minister's residence. We have live visuals coming in at this point of time from outside his residence, where we are learning that Union Home Minister Amit Shah has just arrived. Remember, it is a Union Cabinet meeting at this point of time that is going to start very, very shortly. But for now, those are the details that we have at this point of time. Of course, people now and political bigwigs now starting to come in to arrive at the Prime Minister's residence for this very crucial meeting that is going to be conducted very, very shortly. But for now, those are the details that we are tracking for you. Earlier, of course, the last cabinet session was held on May 14th, where the government approved the establishment of 6 semiconductor units in Uttar Pradesh under the India Semiconductor Mission. What's there on the agenda of this time is, of course, the big question that looms large, but political bigwigs are now arriving at the Prime Minister's residence for a meeting that is going to start very, very soon. Simran, back to you.
All right, Asavri, thank you very much for these latest updates, as we can expect big decisions to follow after the crucial cabinet meeting. Now, Sanjay Sharma is joining me live on the broadcast with more updates. Sanjay, what are you picking up? Share more details very quickly about the Union Cabinet meeting that is being chaired by Prime Minister Narendra Modi, as all the bigwigs and the Union Defence Minister along with the senior BJP leaders have reached.
की बैठक में आज इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर प्रोजेक्ट को कुछ मंजूरियां दी जा सकती है, क्योंकि प्रधानमंत्री नरेंद्र मोदी ने नीति आयोग की बैठक में भी ये साफ कहा था कि देश को 2047 तक विकसित भारत बनाना है, तो सभी प्रदेशों को भी विकसित राज्य बनाना होगा। विकसित राज्य बनाने के लिए अपने अपने राज्यों में तेजी से विकास करना पड़ेगा, और तेजी से विकास करने के लिए सबसे बड़ी जरूरत है इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर प्रोजेक्ट आपको लगाने पड़ेंगे। इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर मजबूत करना पड़ेगा, तभी जाकर के लोगों की इनकम बढ़ेगी, आमदनी बढ़ेगी और फिर वहां पर डेवलपमेंट होगा। तो प्रधानमंत्री नरेंद्र मोदी की आज जो कैबिनेट की बैठक कर ले रहे हैं, उसमें कुछ इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर प्रोजेक्ट को मंजूरी दी जा सकती है। एक फैसला किसानों को लेकर के किया जा सकता है। इसके अलावा सीसीएस की भी बैठक है, कैबिनेट कमेटी ऑन सिक्योरिटी की, तो उसमें 2 बड़े फैसलों पर आज विचार किया जा सकता है। पहला ये कि जिस तरह से ऑपरेशन सिंदूर के समय हमने देखा था, भारत की तीनों सेनाओं को बॉर्डर पर तैनात किया गया था, तीनों सेनाओं को अलर्ट रखा गया था, तो क्या सेनाओं को वापस फिर से बुलाना चाहिए या भी और तैनाती रखना चाहिए। इसके अलावा भारत और पाकिस्तान के साथ जो सीज फायर हुआ है, तो सीज फायर की भी आज समीक्षा होगी, रिव्यू करेंगे उसमें सीसीएस की बैठक में कि अभी उसके बाद क्या क्या परिस्थितियां हुई हैं, किस तरीके से अभी स्थितियां आगे बढ़ रही हैं और सीज फायर आगे कब तक रखना है। इसके बाद में तीसरा जो बड़ा फैसला हो सकता है कि पाकिस्तान के अटैक से, पाकिस्तान की गोलीबारी से भारत में कई सारे सिविलियंस की जान माल का नुकसान हुआ था, लोगों की जानें भी गई थी और लोगों के मकान भी टूटे थे, तो उनके लिए कोई एक छोटा मोटा पैकेज का अनाउंसमेंट आज की बैठक में हो सकता है।
All right, in fact, Sanjay, I'll request you to kindly stay on with us on the broadcast, as the big story right now is the crucial Union Cabinet meeting, where of course more decisions are likely to follow after it concludes. But at this point of time, Prime Minister Narendra Modi is ready to set off on a multi-state tour from May 29 to 30th, while